Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with a special focus on one of the best live bamboo plants you can find on the market right now, the 3-tier Lucky Bamboo. This beautiful arrangement comes packed with 38 stalks of Lucky Bamboo, carefully tiered and ready to brighten up any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a newbie looking to green up your living area, this could be the perfect addition to your home. Let's talk about what makes this Lucky Bamboo so special. Each plant is meticulously selected and inspected by USDA standards, ensuring you get nothing but the best quality. The 3-tier setup offers variety in height 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches, which not only looks stunning but also adds a dynamic touch to your decor. These Grade A stems are not only beautiful but also easy to care for, making them ideal for indoor environments. Plus, they're shipped with hydrogel to keep the roots moist during transit, guaranteeing they arrive fresh and ready to thrive in your space. Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose this Lucky Bamboo over other plants? Well, besides its aesthetic appeal, Lucky Bamboo is known for its symbolic meaning in feng shui, bringing good luck and positive energy into your home. It's also a low-maintenance plant, perfect for those of us with busy lifestyles who still want to enjoy the benefits of indoor greenery. Whether you place it in your living room to add a touch of zen or on your office desk to boost productivity, this 3-tier Lucky Bamboo adapts beautifully to various light conditions, thriving in low light and making it an excellent choice for indoor environments. So, if you're looking for an elegant, low-maintenance plant that not only enhances your decor, but also brings positivity and tranquility into your space, look no further than the 3-tier Lucky Bamboo. With its USDA-inspected quality, easy care instructions, and beautiful tiered design, it's truly a standout choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.